Ahead of the implementation of the Operation Clean Your Frontage initiative from February this year, environmental health officers from the Ga East Municipal Assembly set out to pilot the program in communities such as Abokobi and Boy within the municipality, where 17 persons were summoned over insanitary drains.
Look at this place. Look at what you've done here. And look at the gutter here. There's a chop bar at the back. They cook there.
Choba no one handful.
Madam
way. And the Sanya Manu. Let's call the tax pack the things. About Virginia Manu office. So new hall.
And I'm going to say, on your auntie.
On your auntie, I'm fine.
I think I'm here doing new back.
Because move to got a new.
And I'm going to say, me to the beer.
Look at the dangers. Look at very, very dangerous. So why should you do something in your house and then come and demolish something in your residence and then dump it in front of somebody's? Hello, clutching.
The drain in front of their shop is full of weeds.
Shop owner, so I don't shop in here. I am frontage. It is your frontage, yes.
To a sea and too free, I see, engine or bears. I don't know why I see.
I see too fear. No, too fear. I can't say we are 2 years.
When you're 2 years.
Oh,
Gata,
and we see it is your nota. One, Amukasa and a road, wait, in Siono Yamuka, road, never paya copano. In Siono, what I say? Wait, a choco. In Sionuta, it's a sebefangatanum. Manchama a choco with sand. It is your and to be fat, no swap a baby alpha.
Some residents blamed the poor sanitary conditions on lousy drainage systems and a lack of proper waste management measures.
To monitor the thing, they have done the gutter here. Yeah. There's no outlet to the gutter. Yeah. So we remove it. I'm the pastor of this church. I've always been removing it. We do remove it. Yeah. We removed it and they told us that other people will be forced to remove it for 2 months. Yeah. Until recently it got choked because the stench in the afternoon. You are out here. Yeah. You could smell the stench. Yeah. I single-handedly removed this gutter from the dam. Nobody knew this thing would flow. Yes, I have this, but when I do mine and the others are not done, it falls back the same. Every other person should be enforced to do this. We are at the top here. You know something, say, the road here, the gutter here, it has no outlets. That's what I'm trying to put it to you. It has no outlet, so when you remove, it still gets stuck. This is just a genuine concern I'm sharing with you. The engineer is, I've been to the engineer's place many times.
What evidence are you saying the gutter has no outlets?
Bro, do you want evidence?
No, there's no evidence.
Yeah, so that's what the man is saying. There is evidence to that.
Assembly, no, Emra, they should come. Including the road minister. Fine. And what to make it 5 years ago.
With the rollout of the initiative from February, individuals and corporate entities who fail to ensure the cleanliness of their immediate surroundings would be summoned and sanctioned. The Municipal Chief Executive for Ga East, Elizabeth Kakiman, outlined preparations towards the execution of the policy.
So far, we've summoned 17 people, and we are expecting them to report to the office. Some are promising that by tomorrow they will clean. So tomorrow we'll come back for follow-up, and then we'll take it from there. We identified some transfer sites. We have 3. Which we've submitted to RCC and Zoom Lion. So we have prepared ourselves. We have 3 transfer stations. The trucks are also ready, plus the additional one that was given to us by the regional minister through Zoom Lion, and the tools. Yes, sir. So we are ever ready to kickstart with the Operation Clean Your Frontage and make sure the bylaws will take effect. Anybody who a defaulter will be held responsible.
Situations like this are going to attract sanctions from the government when the Operation Clean Your Frontage program is rolled out from 1st February this year. Just ensure that as a citizen you play your part in ensuring a clean environment at all times to avoid being sanctioned. Reporting from Abokobi in the Greater Accra region, my name is Ni Ayikwe Okain for Citi News.